Getting your offer accepted. Number one, getting pre-approved, not pre-qualified, pre-approved by the bank. Getting your funds ready, your down payment that you're going to put on, having it ready, being able to send me a copy. And of course, you show that to the other agent so they know that you're a good buyer. So what do? We select the best price that we can offer. We show them that you're a great buyer, that you're a pre-approved letter, you're the biggest deposit you can make. Usually it's about 3%, but look, if you can put 5 or 10%, it's your money anyways. It's not going anywhere. Putting a bigger deposit will help. So I'll show you on that when we sit down. The other thing is, whatever the contingencies are, because you will have contingencies that will protect you. Make them shorter, but benefit to you, okay? Make sure that you don't buy just to buy. Right now is a great time for you to do that. More choices of homes. So this is some of the things that we're going to do. And of course, to close escrow within a reasonable time. Many times we can close in 30 days or less. A lot of little things like that you put in an offer that will make you stand out when you're competing against other buyers. Because yes, the market has changed, but the great properties has 2 or 3 buyers usually. So I know how to help you get your offer through. So reach out and we can do it.